Hello friends, this is round 22 of star, hearts and pineapples. And to begin the round we chain 2, 1, 2 and mark this stitch. Then continue to make a total of chain 5. So 3 more, 1, 2, 3. And skip the next stitch and double crochet on the next stitch. Then skip the next stitch, chain 5, one, 2, 3, 4, 5, double crochet on the next stitch and skip the next stitch, chain 3 and double crochet on the next stitch. Then chain 4, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 and make a shell on the next shell. Chain 2, 1, 2 and finish the shell by making 3 double crochet on the same space. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and repeat what we did here, but instead of beginning chain 5 we make a double crochet on the next triple crochet, then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, skip the next stitch and double crochet on the next stitch, then chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, skip the next stitch and double crochet on the next one, skip the next stitch again, chain 3 and double crochet on the next stitch, which is the last triple crochet. So the second series of stitches are made. Then we chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so make 3 double crochet to begin the shell on the next shell. Chain 2 and 3 more double crochet on the same space. And chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we repeat. We repeat this so that this is the beginning of the repeated stitches. And ends in the repeated stitch on the chain 4. So the repeated stitch starts here and ends on the chain 4. So repeat that all around. So after making the last shell of round 22, then chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and slip a stitch on the second chain of the beginning chain 5. And that's the end of the round. So the next round is beginning the pineapple stitches, which starts with a fan. So this is exciting. Thank you for watching.